Hello everybody, it's Brian, your sales consultant from Steele Hyundai, located at 3625 on Kempt Road in Halifax. Today I'll be showing you a 2021 Hyundai Elantra in the preferred trim with Sun and Tech package. The Elantra has been completely revamped for 2021 with a dramatic, bold new design and impressive interior space, and comes with a multitude of safety and tech features. Let's start with the front. Its striking new design and its bold lower stance. It has a beautiful cascading front grille with side air vents that create air curtains, increasing aerodynamics and improving overall fuel efficiency. This model comes equipped with 16-inch alloy rims and 4-wheel disc brakes. It comes with heated side mirrors. That comes really handy in the winter commutes. And this body styling continues all the way down the side of the car. These ultra-modern tail lights, I call these the Flying T, are unified with a long LED strip along the back, taking you to the other side. You access the trunk with this nice hidden designed trunk latch, opening up into a very generous 407 liter available storage space. If you require more space, you just there's a pass-through seat in the back, and it's just accessed by just releasing these levers, easy release levers in the back of the car. Checking out the interior, at first glance you'll see that the layout's wide, expansive, and refined, with plenty of room for every passenger. The new redesign of the 2021 Elantra has more volume space than a Toyota RAV4, a BMW X2, and even the Mazda CX-30, with 2,418 liters of total space. The modern design continues in the dash with seamless integrated air vents. We also have an 8-inch user-friendly and intuitive display, touchscreen display that comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, integrating your phone into a display. That's a real advantage when you're using the maps off your phone. This vehicle also comes with Sirius XM for 3 months and complimentary Blue Link, which gives you the modern conveniences you would find on a premium vehicle, allowing you remote start and remote climate control. This Elantra comes equipped with a sunroof, power sunroof, and tilt. Hyundai is a real leader when it comes to safety for their customers, and the 2021 Elantra is no exception, coming equipped with forward collision warning alert with pedestrian detection, lane keep assist, high beam assist, driver attention warning, blind spot assist, and rear camera and rear cross traffic assist, and safe exit. This feature will auto lock the back doors if it detects it's unsafe to exit the vehicle. Certainly a great feature for your precious cargo in the back for your younger kids or grandma. And that's the wrap for the 2021 Hyundai Elantra. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at Steele Hyundai at 902-454-1000, HRM's preferred Hyundai dealership.